वै तुलसी देव्यै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्त्यै प्रदे देवी सत्तवत्यै नमो नमः। भक्ताविहीनाम् अपराधलक्ष्यै क्षिप्ताश्च कामादि तरङ्गमाद्यै कृपामयि त्वं शरणं प्रपन्नं वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं 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 भजामि राधां अरविन्दनेत्रं स्मरामि राधां मधुरस्मिताक्षं वदामि राधां करुणावरद्रां ततो ममस्ति मतिर्न कामः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। So first of all, for my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, Lotus feet of Gurupad Padma, Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhaktivedanta Srivamanu Sri Maharaj, and Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhaktivedanta Srivamanu Sri. Respectful Dandavat Pranam, Lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Srimad Bhaktivedanta Maharaj, Srila Guru Gopal Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis and presented all of my respectful guests. So just I want to speak about Jagannath Ratha Yatra. Yesterday was very nicely celebrate Jagannath Ratha Yatra. And devotees are so enthusiastic to Lord Jagannath Ratha Yatra, and everybody also dancing, singing, and pray to Lord Jagannath. He is called Jagat Nath. Jagat means universe. Nath means master. He is the master of the universe, Jagannath. And his son is Bhagavan, Supreme Personality of God itself, Bhagavan. And so, but according to the mood of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking he is the son of Nanda Maharaj. Vigraha Nayagatami Sakshat Brajendra Nandan. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he used to come in the temple of Lord Jagannath, when he took darshan to Lord Jagannath, that time he is thinking, you are the son of Nanda Maharaj. Not only you are deity, Vigraha. So saying, Vigraha Nayagatami Sakshat Brajendra Nandan. And you are not only deity, you are the eternally son of Nanda and Yashoda. And so in this word, Vigraha Nayagatami Sakshat Brajendra Nandan. This is the mode of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, this is the vision. But according to the Vaishnava philosophy, Tattva Siddhanta, Krishna three dhams. First understand, how many dhams? Three dhams. One is called Dwarka Dham. Second, that is called Mathura Dham. Or third, that is called Vrindavan Dham. Yeah, three dham. So in this way, Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad also explained that one is Dwarka Dham is called Purna Dham. What is called? Purna Dham. Complete. Or Mathura is called Purnatara Dham. Purnatara Dham. And more complete Dham. Or Vrindavan is called Purna Tamo Dham. And the Purna Tamo, most complete Dham of Lord Krishna. So Purna, Purnatara and Purnatama. In the same way, Krishna, he resides in Dwarkapuri and Mathura and Vrindavan. According to the Dham and the associates, Lord also manifested his form, activities, qualities in there. This is the process. Everything depends on the mood and place. Understand? Sometimes give an example. If you buy the water bottle and in the shop, how many cost? $4. Okay. Same water bottle you can buy in airplane. How many cost? $14. Look. And $4 to 14. $10 more. Why? Depend on the place. Water is same. Same water, same bottle, same thing. But when change the place, then price change also is. So in the same, I am saying this example. Lord is supreme, Bhagavan. Lord is one. Ekameva paramatattam sahabhigi achinta sakta. Lord is one. Ekameva paramatattam. Param tattva. That is called the absolutely truth. That is called Krishna Vaidyananda Samsundar. But when his place and everything change, then we are saying different name also. Different qualities, different activities. Vaidyananda Samsundar is called origin. Vaidyananda Samsundar. Same Vaidyananda Samsundar he appeared in Dwarka. That time he is called Dwarkadhish. You understand? It's simple way. Vrindavan, when he remains in Vrindavan, that time we are saying he is called son of Nanda Maharaj. And his also form also different. Tribanga Lalit, 3-fold, Gopavis. Form is called cowherd boy. Person same or not? Same person. But mood change, activities change. So he is called Vaidyananda Samsundar in Vrindavan and son of Nanda and Jasoda. And that is mood also called, in Vrindavan his mood is called Vaishnava mood. Vaishnava mood. He is saying, I am the son of Nanda Maharaj. Gopavis, Gopajati. Cowherd boy means Vaishnava. But when same Krishna appeared in Dwarka or Mathura, he is giving his address, I am Kshatriya. Mood coming or not? Then Krishna is saying, I am Kshatriya. And also his dress also different. Vrindavan, He dressed Gopavesh Benukar. Krishna Jatik Kela Sarvottam Naralila Narabapu Tahara Sarup. Gopavesh Benukar Navakisur Natavar Naralilar Hoy Anurup. Chaitanya Chaitanya. Krishna Sarup Vichar Suna Sanatan Advai Gan Tatta Braje Brajendra Nandan. Mahaprabhu himself told Sanatan, listen, Krishna Tattva. Krishna's Sarup Vichar. Listen the conception of Krishna's Sarup. Krishna's Sarup Vichar Suna Sanatan. Advai Gan Tattva. He is called Advai Gan. He is called non-dual. And he is called Paratattva. He is called the absolutely truth. Lord is one. Varinandana Samsundar. Just for this guy, I gave this example. Water bottle. Water is same or not? And if you buy this water bottle here in the any shop, water is same. Bottle also same. Label also same. Nothing change anything. Understand? But same water in going to the airplane. Flight. Airport. Look, change is different. Airport also buy another price, or you buy in the inside the airplane flight, difference. 3 places. Ordinary shop you buy how much dollar? $4. Or if you buy the same water bottle in airport, maybe $9. Just let me explain this way. Or same water bottle if you fly inside the flight, then $14. 4, 9 and $14. Why? Water is same or not? Same quantity, same water, there nothing different. But place change, then price change. Look this way. In this material world, some Krishna Advai Gan, he is Advai, non-difference. From he is non-dual. So what is called Advai Gan. Not Dayam, iti Advayam. He is one. That is called the absolutely truth. He is absolutely truth. Varinandana Samsundar. But so when he appeared in Dwarkapuri, then his mood changed also. He is saying, I am the son of Devaki and Vasudeva. Devaki Nandan. Dwarka, Mathura, Krishna, he gives his identity. That I am son of Devaki and Vasudeva. And I am Kshatriya. Kshatriya dynasty. Listen. Or same Krishna when in Vrindavan, he is giving his identity. I am the son of Nanda and Jasoda. And look this. And Gopa dynasty. Vrindavan is giving his Gopa dynasty. Gop Jati. Or in Dwarka and Mathura, he is giving Kshatriya dynasty. And so now coming in the who is origin Krishna? Varinandana Samsundar, who is the son of Nanda Jasoda. So saying Chaitanya Mahaprabhu saying, Krishna Sarup Vichar Suno Sanatan Advai Gan Tattva Braje Brajendra Nandan. Krishna is called absolutely truth. And his origin form, by origin activity, that is called Varinandana Samsundar. कृष्ण जते खेला सर्वोत्तम नरलीला नर बपु ताहार स्वरूप गोपवेश बेणुकर नव किशोर नटवर नरलीलार है अनुरूप. Krishna performs sweet lila, madhur lila in Vrindavan. Or is it Trivanfold, Trivanga Lalit? And he also surrendered with the gopis. Gopastri Puriveshtito. Kusturi Tilakam Lalad Patali. Bakkastri Kustubam. Nasagri Varamaktikam Kartale Venu Kare. Kankarang Sarvangi Hari Chandana Suluitam. Kante Chamukta Gopastri Puriveshtito. Vijayate Gopala Chudamani. Vrindavan Krishna. And Baraha Pidam Narvar Bopu Karna Karnikaram. Vibhrutavasu Kanakapisan Vajantamalam. Randana Beno Radharshudaya Purana Gopa Vrindai. Vrindaranam Sapadaravanam Pravisata Gitakirti. That's beautiful for me, Vrindavan. Or same Krishna when he appeared in Dwarka. That time he is given identity, I am Dwarkadhish. And Kshatriya Vesh. Kshatriya Vesh, understand? His form, that is called Kshatriya. No peacock feather and no flute in his hand. Not 3-4 also. And state. Raj Vesh in Dwarka and Mathura is a Raj Vesh. Raj Vesh, understand? Royal dress. And everybody called him Mathuradhish or Dwarkadhish. He is the king of Dwarka or he is the king of Mathura. And that time also Dwarka and Mathura associates also different. Who are the associates of Dwarka and Mathura? Uddhava. Uddhava is there. Look. Queens also there. 16,108 queens. Different. Married wives. They have the Patni there. Rukmini, Satyabhama. Sons and daughters also is there. Look at this. And always is this Abhiman. Krishna is thinking, I am Dwarkadhish. I am the king of Dwarka. I am this mood is there. And also crown on his head. This mood. Are Vrindavan? Krishna. Very nice, beautiful. Jolly mood. Smiling face. And also he is called Nandanandan Krishna. He is the son of Nandanandan, Jasoda Nandan. Dwarka Mathura is called Devaki Nandan. This is the different. Dwarka is Krishna and Vrindavan Krishna. But he is one, absolutely truth. Advaigan Tattva. He is called non-dual. But different lila is going on this. So for this, they are saying this Krishna Saru Vichar Suna Sanatan Advaigan Tattva Braje Brajendra Nandan. Advaigan par Tattva. Is non-dual. And he is called the absolutely truth. But with his inconceivable potency, Ajanta Sakti, he manifests many forms in Dwarka, Mathura and Vrindavan. Because Krishna, he has one very powerful potency that is called what potency? Achinta Sakti. What is it? Achinta Sakti. Inconceivable potency. Achinta Sakti. So saying these verses, एकमेव परम तत्तं sahaviki achinta sakta. There is a achinta sakta sakti. And that Shakti is also called Sabhaviki. Sabhaviki means natural, spontaneous. Understand this? Ekamewa Paramatma Tattam Sabhavika Chinta Sakta Sarupa Tadrupa Vaiva Jiva Pradhana Rupena Surja Mandala Tadrasmi Chaturdha Avatisthati. Krishna said, this is called so Achinta Tattva. Maybe you ask, what is the meaning of Achinta? Achinta means which is beyond of our mental conception. In our material mind, we cannot establish this philosophy. So, Achinta Koluje Bhava, thanks Tarkeno Joit, Prakritva Parivasa, Achinta Salakshanam. Achinta means this way. What is the meaning of inconceivable? Achinta. So far this regard, Vedas, Upanishad explain this way. Achinta Koluje Bhava. Not thanks Tarkeno Jojoit. Which is Achinta Tattva, inconceivable things. You cannot establish with your any logic. Achinta Koluje Bhava, thanks Tarkeno Jojoit. Prakriti Pari, and that thing is called a beyond of material world. That is Jagat se Pare. So which things is Achinta? Inconceivable things. Beyond of our material thoughts. So how will know? And how will establish this philosophy? This question coming. And which things are beyond of our thoughts? So why you are talking about this? Many questions will be come in your heart. So what their Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told to Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. And also Prakashananda Saraswati. And when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu met with Prakashananda Saraswati in Kasi, they discussed this philosophy, this impersonalism. And Advaitavadi, they don't accept Krishna's any potency, Shakti. And they don't accept one philosophy that is called Parinambad. Parinambad is the doctrine of transformation. Parinambad. Parinambad, understand? One things transfer in another things. As like milk transfer in yogurt. If you put some kinds of acid or lactic, then milk transfer in yogurt. But yogurt again cannot transfer in milk. Yatha dudi visesa sangyogat. Khirang yatha dudi vikaro visesa yogat. Brahma Samhita gives evidence. Shiva Tattva, very nice video. So now coming in this way, Achinta Sakti, so saying Achinta Koluje Bhavat, thanks Tarkin or no Jajit, Prakritva Parivasa Achinta Salakshanam. Understand? Even in this material world, many things also are Achinta, inconceivable of our material conception. You accept or not? Mani mantra usadi, Mahaprabhu gave example. Money means jewels. And usadi means herbs and medicine. Or mantra means chanting the mantra. By the chanting of the mantra, you can get many kinds of miraculous things you can get. Many kinds of roots or herbs. They have also different kinds of also inconceivable potency there. So Mahaprabhu gave this example. Even in this material world, many things also they are inconceivable. Or Krishna hoy not this way. প্রাকৃত বস্তু চেয়ে অচিন্ত শক্তি হয় আর কৃষ্ণের হয় ইহাতে কি বিস্ময় no doubt look these things sometimes give an example, what is called parmal, one kinds of sabji, vegetables, Indian vegetables, that is name is called parmal. That is very nice sabji, delicious food. But now Chaturmasya, so we will not take it. You can make very nice sabji there also. But the leaves, very bitter. You cannot believe. Fruits, very delicious, sweet, you can eat. But leaves, very bitter. Or this root of the creepers that as like poison, cannot believe. One creepers and root is very poison and leaves or creepers bitter. Are vegetable delicious. How possible? Look this. And so Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave this example. Mani, mantra and ausadhi. And understand? So Mahaprabhu gave the example, mani, that is called touchstone. Touchstone, understand? Parsamani. The touchstone touch with the iron. Iron transfer in gold. But touchstone not transfer in gold. Some miracle is going on this way. Touchstone not transfer in gold. But touchstone make transform iron to gold. A miracle is going on this. So Mahaprabhu gave this example. So now coming in this way, Krishna has Achinta Shakti, inconceivable potency. And he, in his inconceivable potency, he manifests three forms. In Vrindavan, that is called Vrinandana Samsandar. And in Dwarka, he is called Dwarkadhish Krishna. Or Mathura is called Mathuradhish Krishna. So that is called Purna, Purnatara and Purnatama Dham. So again also explained Krishna three dhamas. Dwarka Dham, that is called complete. Or Mathura is called more complete. Or Vrindavan is called most complete. So Purna, Purnatara and Purnatama Dham. So Vrindavan Dham is called Purnatama Dham. And most complete is Dham. And his associates Parikar also difference. Gopis Daseko, Kosturitidakang Lalato Potali, Bakkastari Kostubang, Nasagre Varamuktikang, Karatari Venu, Kare Kankanam, Sarvangi Hari Chandana Sulitang, Kanteja Muktavali, Gopastri Parivestito, Vijayate Gopala Chudamani. In Vrindavan, everybody call him Gopal. Gopal. Go means cows. Pal means he nourishment the cows. For this, everybody is called Gopal. Govinda Gopal, Sri Krishna Gopal, Hare Mukunda, गोविंद हे किशोर कृष्ण हासी जसोदा तनया प्रसीद श्री वल्लभी जीवन श्री कृष्ण गोपाल हरे मुकुंद गोविंद हे नंद किशोर कृष्ण हासी जसोदा तनया प्रसीद हे वल्लभी जीवन राधिके हे श्री कृष्ण गोपाल हरे मुकुंद गोविंद नंद किशोर कृष्ण हासी जसोदा प्रसीद हे वल्लभी जीवन राधिके बोलो श्री कृष्ण गोपाल हरे मुकुंद गोविंद हे नंद किशोर कृष्ण हासी जसोदा तनया प्रसीद हे वल्लभी जीवन राधिके श्री वल्लभी जीवन राधिकेश्वर is the life year of Srimati Radhika. Radhikesh. Vallavi ji Vana Radhikesh. Vrindavan Krishna has been. And everybody called him Gopal. Sri Krishna Gopala. Hare is Hari. Mukunda. Sri Krishna Gopala Hare Mukunda. He Nanda Kishora Krishna. He is the son of Nanda Maharaj, Nandanandan Krishna, and always ever fresh, youthful form. Understand? That is called Navajauvanancham. Advaitam Achyuto Anadi Ananta Rupam. Addam Purana Purusam Navajauvanancha Vedesu Durlabh Adurlabh Atma Bhaktesu. Govindam Adi Purusam Tamaham Bhajami. You know this slogan, na? Learn this verse. Advaitam Achyuta Anadi Ananta. Actually, this is called the Kishore form. Youthful form. This is the origin form. Krishna. And with his inconceivable potency, Achinta Sakti, he manifests many forms. Motradhish is called Dwarkadhish, Mathuradhish, and Vrindavan. So just I explain Krishna three Dhamas: Dwarka, Mathura, and Vrindavan. Actually, why I am saying this is because Krishna in Dwarkapuri, but always he absorbed and remembered to Braj, remember to Brajvasis. And especially Krishna so much felt frank of separation from Srimati Radhika. And crying and crying and crying. Crying for Lalita, Visakha, crying for Nanda, Jasoda. Crying day and night. Though in Dwarka and many his sweet associates, Parikar, Rukmini, Satyabhama, 16,108 queens there are. And his sons and daughters, grandsons, many things are there. But he is not happy in Dwarkapuri. Shastra saying, Vaikuntha Janito Vara Dharavatta Jatra Khelati Prabhu Sodara Atmaja Brita. Dwarkapuri is higher than Vaikuntha Dham. Because in Dwarkapuri, Krishna, so many opulences there are. His wives, 16,108 wives. How many wives? 16,108. One wife very difficult to maintain. This is true or wrong? Mind disturbed. Are Krishna, how many wives? 16,108. Okay, God. Not only this, also many sons, daughters, many children, grandsons also there. And one son very difficult to maintain also. Understand? Baby, understand? When a baby is crying, you cannot do bhajan and sadhana, useless. Life is useless. And until 18th years, and you you cannot do bhajan sadhana, nothing. Do the. Or Krishna, how many sons? One queen, 10 sons and one daughter. So you can calculate mathematics. How many sons, daughters, also grandsons also.
10 sons and 1.
10 sons and one daughter. One queen.
12,188. 16,000. So 177,188.
So big family or not? So the Vaikunta Janito Vara Daravatta. Jatra Khelati Prabhu Sodara Atmaja Brita. And so Baladev Prabhu is there also. And very big family there. Krishna staying in Dwarka with his sons, daughters, wife, children, grandchildren. But Krishna is not happy. Why? Because they are prema difference. You understand? This is the main thing. Opulence, you get opulence, Aishwarya. But if you have not that, the prema, you are not happy. Different qualities of Supreme, Prem Tatparja. Vrindavan Prem. Very beautiful. For gopis, Prem towards Krishna, that is called Samartharati. What is it called? Samartharati. Or Mathura, that is called this Mathura. That is called अरे कुछ तो याद नहीं रखते मगर Mathura prem in the heart of the Kubja. That is called Sadharani Rati. Or in Dwaraka, that is called Samanjasa Rati. Difference. So now again you in sequence understand. In Vrindavan, in the heart of the gopis, that prema is called Samartharati. Samartha means with their prema, they completely, absolutely control to Krishna. For this regard, their prema is called Samartha. Samartharati. Or in Mathura, that is called Sadharani Rati, in the heart of Kubja. That is called Sadharani Rati. Or in Dwaraka, the queens of Dwaraka of Krishna, Mahishis, they are prem towards Krishna, that is called Samanjasa Rati. They are prem divided with their children, with their grandchildren, with Krishna, husband, this way. Or Samartha Rati means gopis, their love and affection only one pointed with Krishna. They have no children. They have no any attachment with anyone. Only the one pointed with Krishna. For this regard, in the heart of the gopis, they are prem towards Krishna. That is called Samartharati. Samartharati. Then and on the Mathura, Sadharani Rati or Dwaraka, that is called Samanjasa Rati. Everything, prem, different activities. Understand? And they control to Krishna in this way also. Even in Vrindavan, Sakha Prem, Krishna control, not completely. Sakha is not completely controlled to Krishna. Mother Jasoda, she controlled to Krishna with her parental mood, motherhood prem. This is true, not completely. But gopis, their prem, that is called, that prem is very powerful. They call Madhurja prem. Understand? That is called Parakya prem. Paramur mood in the heart of the Braj gopis. So for this regard, gopis, they control to Krishna. So Jai Jo Jaloraso Sarboraso Sar Parakiya Bhabijata Brajete Prachar. Braj gopis, they control to Krishna with their this Parakya prem. Transcendental and Paravan mode, not material Paravan mode. Material Paravan mode, that is called sinful activities. And after your death, you have to go the place of Jamaraj. But Brajagopis, they are moved towards Krishna, that is called Paravan mode. Parakita Bhav. Or in their Parakita Bhav, they control to Krishna. And especially Srimati Radhika, with her Paravan mode, she completely, absolutely controlled to Krishna. For this regard, Krishna says to Srimati Radhika, "Na paryang nirbaddham sanjang sasadu kritya vivodau sapiva jama durjara griya sinkala sangbrischa pratijatu sadhuna." Krishna told, "Hey Gopi, Srimati Radhika, completely, absolutely indebted your divine love. I can't to repay your love. Even I serve your lotus feet at the age of Brahma. Na parang nibuddham sunyo sasadu kritya vivudau sapi. Vivudi mane Brahma. If I take the age of Brahma and serve your lotus feet, I cannot free from your debts." Look this. Gopi preme apana ke kahe reni. Krishna says, in the Gopi prem, I completely indebted. Bala Vrindavan Vihari Lal. Jai Jai Shri Ram. Now 9 o'clock. Now take breakfast. Then 11 o'clock to come in Jayadev Prabhu's house program. Do bhajan and also Harikatha will be there. Lord Premanande. Bolo Govinda Bala Hari Gopala Bolo. Govinda Bala Hari Gopala. Mero Radha Ramana Giridhari. Giridhari Sam Banohari. Mero Radha Ramana Giridhari. Hariharaye Namah Krishna Jadavaye Namah Jadavaye Madhavaye Kesavaye Namah Gopala Govinda Ram Sri Madhusudan Giridhari Gopinath Madanamo Sri Chaitanya Nityananda Sri Advaita Sita Hari Guru Vaishnava Bhagavata Gita Jai Rupa Sanatana Bhatta Raghunath Sri Jiva Gopal Bhatta Das Raghunath Uchaya Gosai Kori Charana Vandan Jahavite Vignanath Ovista Podam Uchaya Gosai Armui Taro Das Asavaro Padarenu Muro Panchagas Adira Charana Sevi Bhakta Sane Vas Janame Janame Mohe Abhilas O Shri Krishna Gosai Jave Braje Kolan Vas Radha Krishna Nitya Lila Korilan Prakash Anande Bala Hari Bhaja Vrindavan Shri Guru Vaishnava Pede Mojayama Shri Guru Vaishnava Pad Padma Puriyas Nama Sankirtana Kari Narottama Guru Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Sadi Gaura Bhakta Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Sai Gaura Hari Bol Premanandi Jai Jai Shri Ram
ये कौन है? श्रीनिवास in this Gora Aarti.
Huh?
In this Gora Aarti, saying Dakshin Nitai
দক্ষিণে নিতাই চান বামে গদাধর নিকটে অদ্বৈত শ্রীবাস श्रीवास ठाकुर नाम से श्रीनिवास
Srinivas.
श्रीनिवास श्रीवास एक ही है नहीं
Yeah.
एक है
I'm thinking Narottama Shamananda Srinivas.
हरे न that महाप्रभु और बस
That's
उसका
why I'm confused. That's why we're singing Srinivasa Chakradhari.
श्रीवास हैं श्रीनिवास हाँ सेम
Another name.
yeah tell you all the meaning written
Yeah, it's saying Srivas. It's
Huh?
not saying, it's saying Srivas.
Srivas.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
yeah श्रीवास
It's saying, it's translated.
I have seen
But
some
when it's written
saying,
in the-
translation saying Srinivas.
श्रीनिवास श्रीवास same name श्रीवास ठाकुर name also called श्रीनिवास
So it's written Srinivas.
Eh?
Shivash Angan. Srinivas. Shivas.
श्रीवास श्रीनिवास same person same name
Nivas means to stay in the place of Shivas.
Hari Srinivas, that is not what is his name?
Kabutari, Narottama.
Narottam Samananda Srinivas. They appeared after Mahaprabhu. So you not compare. Yeah, the Panchatattva is Srivas Thakur ba Srinivas. Eh? Bolo Vrindavan.
Srinivas is there.
Shivas.
Says his name is also Srinivas.
Yeah, this is
Shivas. You don't say Srinivas.
What was that verse? Could you say the verse again?
Which one?
The one that you said to learn.
Huh?
You told us to learn a verse.
Advaitam
It's a verse you said.
Brahma Sanhita.
Brahma Samhita. Advaitam Achyuta Anadi Ananta Rupam.
Adhyam Puran. Also, this one would be like big.
Raj, I wanted to ask you about yesterday.